today is the 22nd of June 2022. Ja, bestämt att ni haft enligt Kotikyläntie. Hembyggen Forstekis i Espoo keskus, Espoo centrum. Espoo, Helsingin Hissiteknikot, Finland. With 6 floors, it was built in 1979 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 40 years old in 2019 and was by Helsingin Hissiteknikot in 2002, and Museum will be 20 years old this year in 2022. And with several novel title buttons.
Yeah.
Numbers VF583. And it will be inspected in the next year, 2023.
Inspected by Kiwais, maintained by Kone.
Or it is possible I was here, but I have forgotten about it, but I didn't film all of them. I maybe filmed 1 or 2. But we can film all of them now. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's